Well, this is going to be the biggest one that we put on her so far, so we'll get a quick measurement of this one now. What we got there? That one is about 17 inches on this end. It's a nice little log. I left it long, this one longer than I wanted because of this here. But you can see, you want to pull it back towards you a little tiny bit. Right there, that's good. So we're about, I don't know, 21 and a half or so at the butt. So I tried the saw and it will come by. So we're going to cut this one up now and see what beautiful wood we can get out of it. Well, here's our garden, or start of our garden. We got to build some planter boxes for today. Hopefully get those in the ground before it gets too bad. Probably a couple of excited women in the garden today. As you can see, they're finally getting on their machines, mowing grass. See how long it takes them. It's going to take them a while, but they love it. Out here in the sunshine, mowing grass. Oh, Sawmill still down there, still waiting. I think when I woke up this morning, I heard the Sawmill sing out to me, so I'm probably going to go down and keep that Sawmill company sometime today, I'm sure. So let's go and see how the girls are making out up there. Well, the wife grabbed the mini skid steer this morning, starting to clean this all up here. This is where she's going to put her garden. We got some rhubarb there. I know that's coming back, so that's a good thing. Oh, there they go. Waiting 6 months, 7 months for this, so they can get on those things and start cleaning up the garden, I guess. she might, when he comes by now, she'll have a smile on her face. So I think we may have to get a bigger one for her. It's a little bit small.
Cause we jive all night long. Because we jive all night long.
Sistema Dance 2000.
Because we jive. The clock strikes midnight, floor starts to glow. We hit the dance floor, let the good times roll. Your hand in my hand, we're spinning this life. Feet moving faster than the stars in the sky. The bass keeps thumping, the horns start to cry. We're twisting and turning till the morning is night. Ain't no tomorrow, ain't no end in sight. Cause the rhythm's got us burning so bright. Because we jive all night long. We forget about the world. We forget about what's wrong. Hearts beating double time, soul singing strong. Because we jive all night long.
Sistema Dance.
So I finished cutting that big log that I put on the saw last night. Finished it off today, and what I got was 25 1x6, 8 foot long. Two of these here, they are 10 inches wide by 8 foot long, and I got a couple more over there that I got to cut down to get some boards out of it. Not bad. I think that was the biggest one that we had on there so far. So there's a couple more big ones over there. I'm excited about getting at those too. So might do another one here before it shuts it down for the day. It's getting pretty hot here now. Right now it'll be 24 here today. So we'll see what happens. I'm gonna grab another one. A couple of the kids just showed up for get their campers all opened up, so I might have to go give them a hand too. So. Well, I think that's going to be it for me for today, regards to getting anything done. This day of the evening is going to be a write-off, I think. 4 kids are all going to be here shortly. 5 out of the 6 grandkids are going to be here. And I guess Papa's going to be busy doing other things. So I think Sawmill is going to have to be shut down for today. And the excavator, well, she's just sitting there. I'll put her away here later on too, I guess, because I don't think I'm going to get too much done here today. I don't know where they're all staying. I suppose we'll stick them all up the cabin up there, and we'll pack them in like sardines if we got to. But yeah, I'm sure there'll be a few other things just going on here today. We'll take the camera along with us. So.
hear my baby calling my name in the night. The only one who knows I die about it, but I will die.
Good job. That's what happens, I guess, when all the grandkids are here. Another one there. That's 3. Oh, another one there. That one there ran out of juice. Yeah, that's what happens when they're here. Oh well, I'll get the tires fixed, I guess. Get some new ones on her. Oh, he even come prepared. Look, the young fellow even had the compressor out ready to pump it up so we can go for another ride. But we'll get some air in them, I guess, and get some new tires from the next couple of days. It's great having them there for sure. Hi, buddy. You having fun? Well, kids are all gone, as you can see. It's pretty green here. The wife was just cutting a little bit more before we took off here. Everything's all locked up, put away. Truck full of tires, and get those tires changed for the young fellow. So they had a great time. I shut it down a little bit early, the stuff that we were doing here, to spend some time with them and do the things that they wanted to do. So as you can see, there's a couple things in the video. So it was great to have them. They're fantastic. It's lots of fun with them. They can wear you out for sure. Not getting any younger, and they got a lot of energy, a lot more than I got right now. So, but anyways, until the next time, get outdoors and enjoy your this and that, and we'll see you on the next one.